Hope you die.
Die. So we are looking at 4 years biggest failure right now.
1,000
I
bucks
also
on
have
me.
a bet, bro.
Let's
I
go.
also have a bet.
Hey guys, welcome. Today we're playing Rainbow Road skill test racing with my friend Vicky over here.
Hello,
I got the XA21. And which car you got?
Gregor, bro.
Let me
I got
see.
the Gregor.
Okay. Nah, you lost.
I'm gonna beat you. Just watch.
Bye bye. You lost.
No.
Go away.
Go
Go away.
on, bro.
No.
Why?
No. Damn, I slipped.
Yeah, you got the karma, buddy. Not slipping.
Nah.
Just watch. I will win. I'll win this time.
Ah, damn, I missed. No.
Bye.
Bro, you made me slip again. And you
If
also
I'm
fell off.
going, you also going with me. Bro, come
Lord.
on. Why are you so sweaty, man?
Nah. You're dead already. What is this song? Stop
What
it.
song?
No. I died because of the song. Shit.
Noob.
Nah, you're the one who's noob.
Yeah, I just made it. Say it
Okay.
again. Say it again.
I'll do it on this. Yes, I made it. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bro,
You're dead. Go
why
away.
did I take so long?
Go away, noob.
Okay. Bye.
Ah, shit. What is this camera angle, bro? No.
This
Well,
is so... The camera angles are so...
Bro.
I just
I'm flipped.
turn my head a lot.
I'm flipped.
And
Help
bro,
me.
I just went off.
I'm coming. Coming for you.
Bro, I just fell. What do you mean you are coming for me?
For you.
I'm behind
Okay, you already died. Nice. Oh, no. I fell off.
you. Bro, why are you so sweaty? Why?
You died to my proximity, lol. No, I flew off. Shit. Karma.
Yeah, that's right. Karma, buddy.
Ah, damn.
Karma is a boomerang. Haven't you heard of it?
No. I have, but no. I'm just gonna say no.
Why are you gonna say no if you have heard it?
I don't know.
No, I just
oh
fell
my
off
God, I slid
again.
off.
Why am I going downwards every time? Oh, come on, don't be sweaty again. Why the hell are you so sweaty?
The way you blew up in front of me. Lol.
Bro,
Go away.
did you also blue?
Nah,
Damn.
bro. I will have blow up with my own sticky bomb.
Well, you're dumb, so you know.
I know it.
Bro, I just
I'm
saw
not
that
as dumb
bomb
as
and
you.
I just drove in it.
I'm not as dumb as you that who drives on the bomb. Lamau.
Bro, why?
Bro, how many times will you die?
Why?
Oh, imagine if I
It's time.
made it in reverse.
Where is my stickies? Okay.
Boom. Ah, damn.
Why can't I put them? Okay.
I missed that time.
I don't know when are you gonna
Lol.
come bro. It was way too off. I can smell that sticky bomb was way too off. That's how off it was.
No, bro, I almost made it. No.
Yes.
Shit, did you make it?
Fail.
Ah, no.
No,
Noob. Ah, damn.
you are also a noob.
No.
Compared to me, you are also a noob.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yes, you
Bro,
are.
I'm sliding.
Bro, it was so close. Why the hell am I so... Oh, this muffin that you would have put bombs in there.
No. Not on the rods, bro. Damn.
Die.
Hope you die. You die.
Bro,
You died.
bro,
You died.
why?
You died.
Why so much?
Lama.
Why so much hate?
Damn. I just
Just
triggered
let me
one
go.
of my own proximity mines.
Yeah, noob.
But I did not die though. Not
Damn.
as noob as you. You dumb.
Well, I'm new to this game, so what can I say?
Nah,
Yes,
that doesn't count. You're
it
still
does
dumb.
count.
Nah, you're still
Bro,
dumb.
I just spun out. Why did it spun out? Why?
Lol.
Just why? Let me
Noob.
go. You're still behind me, right?
Nope. No.
Did you just make
Oh
it?
my god. I have to go above. Why am I doing that
Bro.
wrong every single time?
Bro, your proximity went again.
Bro, that was me.
Oh, it
I
was
did
you.
that manually. Was it close? Actually,
Yeah.
did. Oh my god, how many times did I? I'm so bad.
Bro,
I'm so
I just
bad.
flew.
Why am I so
I just
bad?
took off like an aeroplane.
Why am I bad?
I don't
Help.
know. Ask yourself.
I need immediate help. Give me some help.
You need therapy.
This, I can feel it. I can feel it.
Feel
This
what?
is the one. I can feel it in my veins. No! Oh my god, bro! I almost made it. Did
Where
you
are
make
you?
it? Did you make it?
Where?
Don't say you made it.
What are you
Have you
talking
made
about?
it? Have you made it to the next checkpoint?
I mean,
Bro.
I
For
mean, I don't know.
No. No way, dude. Oh
Are you
my
asking
god.
about
Oh
second
my
time?
god. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I keep dying.
I just caught up with you, buddy. I'm gonna win.
Damn.
Bro, he's sweating
No,
again.
not like this.
This man is sweating again.
Not like this. Not like this. I got this. Yes. Let's go.
No, stop. Oh, bro, why? Why? Just why?
Do I have speed? Nope. No speed. Got it. Reset.
What is it?
Now I got the speed.
Bro, come
Oh
on.
my god, I flew off.
Where are
again.
you?
I'm so bad.
Why are you so bad?
Where are you?
I'm behind you.
Mr. Teeny Tiny Vicky?
Huh?
No, bro.
Bro,
Again.
yes. Come on.
Again and again.
Oh
What?
my god.
You're gonna lap
Let's
me?
go.
No way, dude.
Let's go.
my
Oh
God.
my.
How many times?
Am I first?
I think you are.
Bro,
Not.
didn't you make one lap?
No. Actually, I did not. Oh my
Wow.
god, you lapped me. No.
Wow.
How can you lap me? No.
I just lapped a pro player. Wow.
Damn,
so cool.
Bro, I'm so
I'm
bad.
so cool.
You have been lapped by Vicky. No.
Yeah.
Bro, I was almost at the checkpoint. Why
Yeah.
am I so bad?
I'm just gonna
my
wait.
God.
Actually,
No.
you just gotta make another lap, bro. You are so bad.
Bro, no
You
way.
are so focused in trolling me.
Oh my god.
Look
I
at you.
spun out.
Look at you.
I'm dying. Help me. My god.
Oh, I'm just gonna.
Oh,
Wait.
my. I slid off again. How bad am
The
I?
way you fell. Oh my gosh.
See? What is this game?
I'm just gonna put donuts
I
here.
keep,
Bro,
Oh
I'm
my
gonna put. Oh, okay.
I keep slipping.
I'm just gonna burn out.
Bro. If I turn too fast, it's gonna spin. If I turn too late, it's gonna fly off. Bro, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna
Just
die.
follow the path, buddy.
Bro,
Why
see?
can't you do that?
What?
Why are you so bad
Hello,
in this
game.
map?
I'm not. I don't know. What happened to me?
You're playing this game for 4 years, buddy.
Bro, finally.
Oh my god.
Finally.
So you're gonna make a
Last
second
season?
time.
I'm gonna speedrun. Wait for me.
Nah, I'm not.
I'm gonna speedrun.
I'm just gonna finish now.
No, don't. I'm gonna speedrun. Wait for me.
Bro, my tire just went. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna speedrun. Wait for me. I'm not
My-
gonna fail once.
My
I'm not
tire,
gonna fail once.
my tires are gone actually because
I'm
I
not
did my
gonna fail
burnout.
once. Wait for me. Yes. Okay. First checkpoint easy.
So guys,
Okay, I got this.
welcome to
I got
Vicky's
it.
YouTube channel. I mean, this is my YouTube channel. So we are looking at 4 years biggest failure right now. Look at him. He will come over there, and
No,
we're gonna see how he
I'm
will
doing
fail
it.
this again.
I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it. No,
See?
bro,
He just
I was
flew
actually doing
again.
it.
So this is my car,
Bro.
and I just popped
No.
these wheels. You know, that's how
Huh.
cool I am because
Nah,
I'm
you're
great.
dumb.
I'm not dumb. Look at you.
Yes, you are.
I'm just waiting for a 4-year-old player who
Nah,
can't
you're
even
dumb.
finish this map.
No,
That's
you're
how
dumb.
that's how noob you are.
No,
Actually.
you're dumb.
No, you are dumb.
You're dumb.
You are dumb, not me.
Why did I?
And I
What?
have
Hello?
cold.
My character
so
just came out
please
of the
forgive me.
car. He's like, hello.
You just flew, bro. This is on you, not me. I mean,
Nope,
not because of your character.
Bro. No.
You know what? I'm just gonna walk to win.
Stop yapping, bro. Shut up.
I'm just gonna walk
Let
to
me
win.
focus.
Yeah. Focus whatever you want. I'm just gonna walk. That's how cool I am.
Nah, you're dumb.
I'm just
Oh
gonna
my
walk.
god, this
I'll
stupid
definitely
car.
walk, bro.
This stupid car. How much times it will slip? It's so bad. Nope. No.
So this is finish point, you know. I'm this
How
close,
many times will it
and this
spin?
man isn't even near me. So yeah, we have a
Yep,
lot of time,
Yes.
and
Finally.
there are trains going by. You know. This is okay. He can.
No.
I just finished. Yay! I just walked to win.
Bruh.
Look at you. So
Bro.
noob.
No. I died to a stupid freaking bot. Literal bot. No way. No. I died to a stupid
First
bot.
place again.
Yeah,
Yay.
bro. You're
Let's
so
go.
dumb.
Who is dumb? You are dumb. Not
Okay,
me.
guys. That's it. I'm
Yeah.
done with this stupid game. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.